got the music back. We got the music back. Let's just say that. We got like a bunch of people leaving. I don't know why. Welcome back to Skating with Jerry, part 8. Yeah, part 8 right now. The buddy Chris right now. I got class in 30 minutes, but we're gonna put down some tricks right now. Gonna get a little warmed up, and then when I come out of class, we're gonna have a little skate sesh. See if any of the buddies want to pull through right now. All right, let's do it. What'd you do? What'd you do?
I cut into my shin because I tried to do a shove it.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that looks pretty good. You're like right next to me if you can.
You want me to?
Is it too soon, dude?
Probably.
Hey. So I'm gonna go outside and skate for a bit. I'm gonna try and get down a couple tricks. First of which, I'm gonna try and do backside 180s better. I'm gonna try and do kick flips better and front shoves better. Okay, let's go do it. All right, making a little lunch before I go out and skate. We're gonna do a little toasted bread with some hummus and like sliced carrots, I guess. I usually do red bell peppers, but I ran out. And I also don't have a toaster, so this is how I'm prepping my bread. I'm really just in the pan, you know. All right, we're outside my apartment right now. I'm gonna start working on warming up, probably like 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna hop into the 180s, kick flips, and then the front shoves. All right, let's do it. Sketchiest 180 ever. I just can't figure out how to land smoothly and land like rolling away. Time for the kickflip. I got about 20% battery left on the GoPro here. Probably only do a couple tries because I want to get some more room in for the front shoves. Let's do it. GoPro, stop recording. I'm taking a little break here in the shade. Too tired to continue. Let me tell you that. I'm just absolutely drenched in sweat right now. But you know, I put in some work. I got some good clips. Those front shoves are looking pretty good, a lot better. Kickflips definitely improving, I guess. And then backside 180s definitely improving, and realizing I need to put more weight in the back of the board than I do on the front, so I don't slip out when I land, you know. But went on a little hike yesterday for my job, and we hiked Dewey Point, which is a like an 8-mile round trip hike, just I'd say like southwest of like Half Dome area in Yosemite. And yeah, pretty fun hike. Our group was really fast and their pace was great. Everyone was making jokes and stuff on the way there, and these Indian guys in the group, like, absolutely hilarious. Like, their accent is so funny, and just like the stuff they say. Oh, he was like talking about, like, because he's from India, how he came to America, and just like all these funny stories on how everything's different here. And he's like he's like inviting one of the participants to like come over to his apartment to like hang out and like cook some stuff, or like grill like some burgers or whatever, because he thinks that's like what we do here or whatever. And he's like, yeah, we can come over to my apartment and okay, I'm gonna stop with the Indian accent. He's like, we can do the barbecue machine. I'm like, what do you mean barbecue machine? The barbecue machine. Like, you mean a grill? Like, yeah, grill. Like, it's so funny. I took some photos on the trip, of course, but they were all on 35mm. Tony was telling me about this new show he watches called Nathan For You, and oh my gosh, I watched like one of the first episodes yesterday, and it was so funny.